You want that wet look, right? That deep, dark, glossy finish that really makes your driveway or patio pop. But if you're not careful, 3 months later you're staring at white spots, bubbling or peeling. And it all comes down to 5 common mistakes that happen before and during application. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to avoid them. Hey there, I'm Ron with Foundation Armor, and let me tell you, you 100% can apply your own sealer. Without a doubt, you really can. And like I said in this video, I'm gonna tell you how, but first, a quick heads up. We're talking about solvent-based acrylic sealers today. These are the products that give you that wet look and color enhancement, like our AR350, AR500, and LV25. Now, if you're looking for a natural finish or considering a water-based product, well, I've got a separate video linked down below in the description. They're different products and they follow different rules. Also, the sealers we're covering today are designed strictly for concrete and concrete pavers. So now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. First, we're going to talk about moisture, and there are a few things to discuss here. First, the mistake that most people make is sealing too soon after cleaning. You pressure wash on Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, it looks completely dry. You seal it. Don't do that. Even if the surface looks dry, moisture can still be trapped in the pores. So when you seal over that, trapped moisture causes blushing, and that is the white haze everyone dreads. Plus, it also leads to premature coating failure. So the rule is simple. Wait at least 24 hours after cleaning. And if you're sealing pavers, play it safe and wait longer if conditions require it. Also, check your forecast. Don't apply if rain is expected within the next 24 to 48 hours. Okay, now there's another moisture issue here to avoid. For solvent-based acrylics like our AR350, AR500, and LV25, never apply in the early morning if there's dew or dampness on the surface. Any hidden moisture causes blushing and bonding issues. And the final moisture trap is a big one. Do not apply these sealers to pavers sitting on top of a concrete slab. You see, the moisture gets trapped between the slab and the paver, so you'll end up with continuous blushing and peeling issues. So, if your pavers are installed over a concrete slab, just skip the film-forming acrylic, because for this scenario, only a breathable silane siloxane sealer should be used. Alright, all that had to do with moisture. The second mistake is applying over brand new concrete. The standard rule for our AR350 and AR500 is that you must wait 28 days for concrete to fully cure. If you seal too early, moisture and pH levels can disintegrate the coating. But what if you don't want to wait a month? Well, grab our LV25. It's designed to go on uncured concrete. It actually helps with proper curing. Go ahead and check the technical data sheet for specific timing and conditions. But if you're using the standard AR series, you've got to wait the full 28 days. Now, the third mistake is a sneaky one: temperature. You need to apply between 55 and 85 degrees. But here's what people miss. Surface temperature matters just as much as air temperature. You see, if you seal hot concrete in the middle of the day, the solvent evaporates too fast. It can haze, bubble, or fail early. So save yourself the headache. Seal in the late afternoon or evening when the sun's going down and the concrete is cooling off, when the sun is no longer directly over the surface. Alright, the fourth mistake is sealing over stains and other contaminants. You see, sealer locks things in, it doesn't cover them up. You need to remove stains and contamination first. Solvent-based acrylics enhance the surface, and that includes existing discoloration like oil stains. If a stain is there before you seal, it'll usually look darker and more noticeable after you seal. And also remember, the surface has to be completely clean and dry. Any residue left on the surface can interfere with bonding and lead to peeling later. Oh, the other thing to note here is that after it's sealed, avoid leaving automotive fluids sitting on the coating. Oil, gasoline, and brake fluid, for example, can soften an acrylic film if they sit too long, so make sure you clean up any spills promptly. And one last thing, these surfaces can become slippery when wet, so you might want to add a non-slip additive if traction is a concern. And I put a link to our non-slip additive and all the other products I've mentioned in this video down in the description. And finally, mistake number 5, the mistake that ruins more sealing jobs than anything else: mixing sealer types. So here's the rule: do not apply a solvent-based acrylic directly over a water-based acrylic. The solvent can soften or attack the old coating. Instead of a nice finish, it can turn white, peel, and leave you with a gummy mess that never cures. And the reverse is also true. Don't apply a water-based acrylic over an existing solvent-based acrylic coating. And if you want to switch from water to a solvent or a solvent to a water, you need to remove the old sealer first and start with a fresh surface. So here's the other thing. If you're resealing and you don't know what sealer you currently have down, well, we have a simple xylene test that tells you exactly what type of sealer is on your surface. And I put a link to the full video down in the description, so take a look and check it out. I hope you found this video helpful, and visit foundationarmor.com for more information about our entire product line. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more concrete care and protection tips. I'm Ron with Foundation Armor, and thanks for watching.